Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a banana pineapple smoothie. I have here 2 ripe bananas, 2 slices of pineapple cut up, and some dried cranberry. I have 1 yogurt, and I have some milk, and I have some crushed ice, and my bullets, so I'm gonna get started. So guys, I'm gonna start by adding my fruits. Then my yogurt. Roughly a 1/4 cup of milk. I'm just gonna add a small amount of crushed ice. And then I'm ready to blend away. And there you have it guys, my banana pineapple smoothie. All done guys. I'm ready to glass this now. Look at it guys, so it's straight. Imagine it's tasting so delicious. And there you have it guys, my banana pineapple smoothie. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to leave me a comment. My banana pineapple smoothie, delicious, tasty. Guys, remember to like, share and subscribe. Bye. My banana pineapple smoothie, good for the entire family. So go ahead and try this smoothie guys. It's refreshing, no sugar is included. It's good for the entire family. Go ahead and try it, and I'll see you in my next video.